Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to password protect an Excel document. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. There are two ways to protect an Excel document with a password. The first way involves creating a password when saving the document. Click File, Save As, Browse, change the file name or leave it as it is. But the main thing is to click on Tools and select General Options. Now we type the password in the password to open line, and additionally you can create a password for making changes. In other words, a user without a password will not be able to make changes to the document. He or she can only view the document. In any case, we repeat the password again and then save the document. And the next time Excel starts, ask for the login password. To delete the password, we do everything in the reverse order: File, Save As, Tools, and delete the password. Just don't forget to save the files so that the changes take effect. Okay, now the second way, go to File, Info, Protect Workbook. As you can see in this menu, we can protect the Excel document more flexibly. We can protect the current sheet, protect the document structure, or simply add the password to open the document. We enter the password, repeat it, and the document is protected. This is indicated by the orange color in the Protect Workbook line. The main thing now is not to forget the entered password, and that's it. Now in Ultima.